I'm always amazed at how few people really understand why investing has never failed to generate fantastic returns for those who participated in the stock exchange over the long run. Understanding the reason precisely and incorporating into your thinking process might be your most powerful weapon and advantage on your way to becoming wealthier than most of your friends, family, and colleagues. So, what is the reason, the force that almost guarantees investing in companies is going to be successful over the long term? Try to ask yourself, what would happen if one fine day you would have woken up to find all corporations on Earth are gone? You would probably freeze to death if that happened on winter, as the electricity generated by your friendly utility would be gone. There would be no food in the local supermarkets and no supermarket to speak of. You would have no car, and there would be certainly no public transportation. If you became sick, there would be no doctor to care for you, and if you had one, he would have no medical supplies and no drugs to give you to fight the disease. You could die from simple complications of skin infection. Then there would be no TV, no laptop, no smartphone, no tablets, there would be no games to play and no books to read. Do I really need to continue? I think you got the point. Life is made livable and enjoyable by the goods and services made by corporations. You really can't live without them. As long as people will exist, this will continue. The more people live longer lifespans, and as long as people marry and have children, the total amount of goods and services produced and delivered by corporations is going to grow. As a result, the profit generated will increase. This is the basic investment rationale. This is the reason why, overall, in average, the whole economy is going to expand and profits are going to grow. Throughout history, this statement has never, ever proven false. Think about it. This is the powerful engine that is driving the economy forward and generates more profits and the future returns on your investments. The force that moves corporation up is powerful and infinite. When you invest in the stock exchange correctly and over the long term, you are taking very little risk, if any. In fact, the risk of you being involved in a car crash is way higher. In the long run, the economy is growing, but you have to understand that it doesn't grow in a linear fashion. Instead, the economy is growing in cycles. We will cover this in the next lesson.